It's been about a month to 20 days, and we going round, play silly games. And you said slow it down, alright now. Then you wake up me and walk away. Oh, let it be, let it be, let it be known. Hold on, don't go touching the teeth and me telling me no. But this time I need to feel you.